You might be wondering if the TCL SE NXTPAPER is just another budget phone or something that actually solves a real problem. Right off the bat, this phone stands out because of its eye-friendly display technology. If you spend a lot of time scrolling, reading, or watching on your phone, that could matter more than you think. The NXTPAPER screen is designed to reduce eye strain by adjusting brightness and colors to a paper-like experience, which is something almost no other phone in this price range offers. But does that advantage come with sacrifices? Let us break down what this phone really brings to the table. The display measures 6.7 inches and runs at 120 Hz, which is smooth for scrolling and general use. However, the resolution is only 720p, which is noticeably lower than most phones today. You can tell this when watching videos or viewing photos. The sharpness and clarity just are not there. But if you prioritize comfort over crispness, especially when reading ebooks or long articles, this screen feels easier on the eyes for longer sessions. So, it is a trade-off. This is not the phone to pick if you want vibrant, high-definition media, but it is ideal if your eyes get tired quickly or if you are on your phone for work or study. Under the hood, the TCL SE NxtPaper uses the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. It handles everyday tasks smoothly, like messaging, social media, and light apps. However, do not expect any gaming power here. The Mali G57 GPU is entry-level, so games will run, but not at high settings or frame rates. Multitasking with the 8GB RAM feels fine, but if you push too many apps, you may notice slowdowns. Still, for the price, it delivers dependable performance for standard daily use. Battery life is solid thanks to the 5,200 mAh capacity. With moderate usage, the phone easily lasts a full day and even pushes into the next without needing a recharge. The 18-watt charging speed is not fast compared to competitors, so expect around 2 hours for a full charge. But since the battery is big, you are not forced to charge frequently, which can be more convenient overall. When it comes to cameras, this phone is average at best. The 50-megapixel main sensor takes decent photos in good lighting conditions, but struggles when light levels drop. Colors can look washed out and details get lost. The 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens is a nice addition for wider shots, but does not offer much beyond basic snaps. Selfies are handled by an 8-megapixel camera that works fine for video calls or social media, but do not expect crisp professional quality portraits. If camera performance is a priority, this might disappoint. One useful feature is the dedicated micro SD slot, allowing storage expansion up to a reasonable limit. This is important because the phone comes with 256 gigabytes internal storage, but sharing one SIM slot for micro SD means you cannot use 2 SIM cards and a micro SD at the same time. Also, the phone is IP54 rated, meaning it is protected against dust and water splashes, which adds some peace of mind for everyday use. The sound experience is better than expected, with stereo speakers and a 3.5mm headphone jack, something many budget phones now skip. You get DTS certified audio, which means clearer and richer sound for media and calls. I spoke to a user recently who summed it up well. I do not need a flashy phone with crazy specs. I just want something that is easy on my eyes because I read a lot on my phone, and the TCL SE NxtPaper delivers exactly that without breaking the bank. If you are searching for a phone that prioritizes comfort, battery endurance, and reliable everyday performance, and you can live with a lower res screen and average cameras, this phone is worth serious consideration. On the other hand, if you want sharp displays, powerful gaming, or advanced photography, this phone will not satisfy those needs. In the end, the TCL SE NxtPaper is a niche phone designed for a specific user. It excels in eye comfort and basic performance without extra bells and whistles. If that sounds like what you need, you will find value here. Otherwise, looking elsewhere might save you some compromises. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Check the links below for the latest prices and deals. See you in the next video.